Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore songs and narrow down your search by selecting a category on the BandLab application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the discover button or icon down below, which is the second one. Here you should select a category if you want to. You can find this section at the top of the screen. There are various categories such as classical, rock, R&B, hip hop, and so on. You can discover these by swiping to the right side of the screen. So you can either tap on one that you prefer, and then you will be able to see the trending songs in that particular style. You can also see the featured albums, recent releases, the trending tags, featured artists, and so on. But if you go back to the previous page, you can also see new songs here from all categories. So if you want to add something to your list of favorites, just simply tap on this heart icon, or listen to it by tapping on the play button that you can see in the right side of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.